Nandini Infosys, 20 years plus old renowned name in software solution space, has served over 7,000 plus business like retail store, large manufacturing companies, small business with their own product services. It has helped to those companies to automate their process by streamline their accounting and inventory operations using latest technology and innovative software solutions like Tally.ERP, custom software, mobile app, etc. A small orientation will describe about our above-mentioned services. Our services are very promising and highly researched to get the best productivity of your team. Tally customization helps your company to increase efficiency and remove duplicity of work. With our Tally support, enjoy the seamless services just one click away. Through Tally implementation, we fulfill our clients' needs and requirements right away. Our highly trained team has developed from magnificent products which help companies to grow and achieve the goal faster. Products that I mentioned below are Tally Prime, Cloud Telephony, Secondary Sales Visibility, Salesforce Mobile App, CRM Software, Business Analytics or Power BI, Data Warehouse, Outstanding Management Software, GST Software, Employee Monitoring Tool, Automated Payment Process Software, etc. We have been serving to the industry over a long time and have created smiles on our below-listed clients, Teleperformance, Patanjali, Valvoline Commons, Usha International, Sun City Projects, Nafab, IFCO Bazaar, Jindal Pipes Limited, etc. So don't waste your time just by thinking. Lift your phone and dial 8377808181 or mail us info@nandininfosys.com. Our corporate address is Gurugram. Visit us at www.nandininfosys.com.